Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my chili cheese burritos. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add one small onion and we're going to saute it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We're going to season our meat with 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1.5 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and salt to taste. I'm using 2.5 teaspoons. Going to break down our meat, mix it all together, and allow it to cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, mix in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Once that's mixed, we're going to add our beans. I'm using refried beans, but of course you can always use bean as a whole. Just going to mix it in there. Okay, now we're going to add 1 cup of crushed tomatoes, 10 ounces of diced tomatoes and green chiles. Mix it and add 1 cup of water. Now we're just going to mix it all together and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to reduce by half. So that will be about 25 minutes. Okay, and after 25 minutes, our chili is done. So now we can get ready to make our burritos. Onion to my chili and topping it with medium cheddar cheese. Grab the ends and roll it. Just like that. Enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. This chili right here, it's honestly the best. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The best. So cheesy. So flavorful, so good. So simple, but so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious chili cheese burritos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.